Good morning. Morning, guys. He's drinking his tea. This is his third skinny tea. Are you skinny yet?
Yeah, I'm heap skinny.
Ooh. Oh, I'll get the thing, babe, so you can tick it.
Oh, I didn't it?
Yeah, last night I ticked it last night.
Alright, so watch out the tick.
Yay, so that's day 3 for the skinny tea. And then no Colin tea tonight, so it's gonna be tomorrow. Right there.
Colon tea.
Colin.
Colon stand for?
Colon. Yeah, the colon.
Yes.
Let us feed this little fella. Nilinis ni Dan yung ano niya, yung tank niya. Tinanggal niya yung stone. Tapos tinanggal din namin. Actually, matagal na niyan tinanggal yung merong plant dito. So, yung stone tinanggal niya. Kasi sabi ni Dan parang may, basta parang may something. Nung naglinis kasi siya nito, wala ako dito. Hindi, nandito ako. Pero I was taking a bath kahapon. So, yeah, it looks really clean and nice. Let's feed you, Jubby boy. Let's go. Meron kang 4 dyan. Kain na! So, yan. Oh, kinain mo na lahat. Good boy! Hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin namin. The weather is really good. It's 20 degrees right now, which is yums. Medyo mainit siya ng konti, pero windy, so it's good. And, yeah. Sabi niya kagabi, maglalakad daw kami, like, you know, hiking. Pero sabi niya na, I don't feel like hiking. So, di ko alam kung anong gagawin namin. Spray ni Dan yung mga weeds. Meron siyang parang spray na nakakamatay ng mga ganito. Sobrang tagal na hindi ito na-sprayhan. Kasi hindi kami masyadong lumalabas dito. Lalo na kapag tsaka yung weather. So, yun know, ang dami. I definitely can feel the sun, babe. Not bad, though. I mean, I like that it's windy. If only you play Pokemon, we could go to that... What do they call that place?
Semaphore base.
Semaphore, yeah. And then we can catch Pokemon there, but you don't play.
We get Semaphore.
What are we gonna do there? Let's go! Yeah, just to check it out. Is it a beach or a park?
Beach.
Is it? Yeah, let's go, babe.
There we go.
It's a really good weather. It's 20, and then later it's gonna be 19, 21. Spray, spray, spray. Nakapaa ka, babe.
Sorry? Is it raining tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pupunta kami ng Semaphore. That's the plan. Ooh, parang I can wear a maxi dress today. Oh. Wagay. Ayan. So what am I gonna do?
You can tell them where we're off to, babe.
Sorry?
You can tell the viewers where you're off to.
Oh, I'm gonna do this. Just click it, right?
It'll just click.
Yeah.
See, it's going now.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Am I just going to film you the whole time?
Was it recording?
No, I don't have to press record.
No? You guys, I'm doing this. We don't do it in the Philippines because in the Philippines, someone will do it for you. But yeah. Oh, can you film my outfit, babe?
Right, that's what I was doing.
Yeah, I'm wearing this dress from Shein. And then this is from Dress Lake, I believe. And then yeah, my glasses. No! Click! Hello! Punta kami ng Semaphore. It's going to be my first time there.
No, it's not.
No? Not my first time? Have I been there?
Twice already.
Twice?
Twice.
Okay, I've been there twice. I didn't even know.
You'll see. You'll ring. Yeah.
Okay. Si Kati at saka si Neil lagi pumupunta doon. It doesn't look familiar to me when they vlog there. Yeah, we've been driving for what? Half an hour already?
Yeah.
That long already? Yeah, it's kind of far from our place. So, yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. That's it. Oh, we have matching glasses. Sunnies. We have matching sunnies. Look at that. Yes. And he's wearing the top that I got him. Dito kami sa New York Dreams. Ooh, it's windy. Wow. I got the Manhattan hot dog, and then he got the Dream hot dog. Yummers? I think I will like yours better than mine. Mine is spinach, but I'll try it. I caught 2 Pokemons in the morning, 2 new ones. There's more. Dito kami sa semaphore. Wala lang, nakaupo lang kami dito sa grass. I caught almost 10 Pokemons. So yes, ang daming tao dito, you guys. And the weather is just perfect. We're heading home. Oh, my lips. I was wearing pala the Milani matte lipstick in the shade Love. And it was really good kanina. But then we had bread. So, naging tsaka na siya. Pero after ng isang kainan, okay pa naman siya. Though, I applied the lip liner. I used the Australis lip liner. I forgot the shade, pero bigay sa akin ni Lorena. So, yeah. Siguro pagbalik ko, or I don't know. Kasi baka makalimutan ko naman. But yeah, that's what I had on my lips. Kasi a lot of you guys asked me. I posted a picture on Instagram, and you guys are like, what's on your lips? So yeah, that's the Milani matte lipstick in Love. It was a really good day. I caught a lot of Pokemon. Hello! Katapos ko lang i-wash yung face ko. Nag-apply ako ng mask kanina, yung rub-in na gelato mask. And then, pupunta kami, bibili kami ng KFC chicken. Sobrang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ng chicken. Tapos may gravy. Tapos si Dan nagluto ng rice. Kaka-warm lang ng rice. Nagluto siya ng rice while pinaplansya ko yung mga niya. Damit niya pantrabaho. So, yeah. Hintayin ko lang siya. Mayroon siyang cupcakes. And after that, we will go buy KFC Yummers. Ang ganda ng shade ng lipstick kanina. Oh, you guys. Look at my nails. Alam nyo ba, kahapon nanonood kami ng movie, pinakpak ko yung nails ko. As in, halos lahat ng nails ko, pinakpak ko. Yung iba lang talaga, sobrang stubborn na hindi ko matanggal. Pero most of them natanggal ko. Wala pa yung ilaw ha, kasi diba madilim sa So, hindi ko masyadong bet yung movie. So, pinakpak ko yung nails ko. And kanina sobrang tsaka yung nails ko nung umalis kami. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. But yeah, yun yung ganap ng nails. Anyway, okay lang kasi I will change it tomorrow naman. Okay, let's go. Hello! Dinner is done. Manonood kami ng Making a Murder. Isa din siyang Netflix original na series. Hindi ko alam kung ilang episodes meron siya. We watched 1 episode. Siguro mga... Hindi ko na alam kung kailan. Siguro the other night, we watched 1 episode. Pero yun lang, nakatulog ako. Pero malapit na matapos nung nakatulog ako yung first episode. And then we will finish watching it. It's actually really nice. Yung kambal niya, yung nag-recommend na panoorin namin siya. And yeah, I really like it. And that's basically it for the night. Tapos na kami kumain, sarap ng chicken. My gosh. Sobrang na-miss ko naman yung chicken. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hi people! It's 2:30. Focus on my face. Yes, gusto niya i-focus ang aking floor na super shiny because I just finished cleaning. Wait, focus on me. Yes! Good afternoon! Good afternoon, you guys. Meron pa talagang Coke doon. Itatapon ko yan mamaya. Nilagay ko lang siya dyan, tsaka yung slippers ko. Because I was barefoot when I was cleaning. Kasi gusto kong i-feel yung floor. Anyway, tapos na ako maglinis. And then, I'm doing laundry right now. I'm doing second load. Tapos, after nun, merong mga basahan na i-wash ko din. So, that's that. And I'm saving a video right now. Ito yung in-edit ko kanina before ako naglinis para while naglilinis ako, saving siya. And then after that, i-upload ko na siya agad-agad. This is the vlog. Alo, why is Joby not moving? He's not moving. He's floating, but he's not swimming. Tapos ko na siya, pinakain ko yan eh. And then, I need to come up with a list. Kasi sabi na Dan, pupunta kami sa grocery today. Hindi kami na-grocery on the weekend. Because on Saturday, we didn't really do much. We just watched movie and had dinner out. And then Sunday, we went to the beach, Semaphore. So, we didn't really have time to go grocery shopping. And it's weird here. Kasi, di ba sa Philippines, may ganun talaga ako. And my nails, I need to paint them as well. Sa Philippines, diba, kapag weekends, matagal nagko-close yung mga grocery, yung mga malls. Dito, nagko-close sila ng maaga. So, iba yung ano nila. Parang yung mga employees nila, pinapauwin lang maaga kapag weekends. Hello! Hindi pa ako nakaligo. I will just file my nails. Naligo na sana ako kanina. Buti na lang, before ako naligo, tumawag yung asawa ng kapatid, or tumawag yung asawa ng kuya ni Dan. Kasi nasira yung ano nila, yung oven nila. So, nakikigamit siya ng oven. And sabi niya, dito na lang daw sila mag-dinner. So, perfect. Nandito na yung chicken. Roast chicken yung gagawin niya. And yeah, nandito na siya. So, tatawagan ko lang si Dan. Sasabihin ko na dito sila mag-dinner. Katatapos ko lang maglinis. Perfect. Tawagan ko, wait, ano na? Hindi na ako marunong tumawag. Hindi ako mahilig tumawag eh. Hindi ako mahilig mag-text. Wala akong ganon. You guys. I just finished watching the Barcelona A Love Untold. Yung kay Kath at saka kay Daniel. My gosh. Sobrang gusto ko siya. Someone messaged me on Instagram. Sabi niya, mag-show daw siya worldwide. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan. I'm not sure if Dan's gonna watch it with me because it's Tagalog. Pero I'm pretty sure they will like have subtitles. I'm not sure. I haven't tried watching Filipino movie overseas. So, I want to watch it so bad. Kailan ba to? I do not know kung kailan siya mag-show sa Pilipinas, but I really wanna watch it. Parang teary-eyed ako kanina nung pinanood ko yung trailer. Bongga, love. Sobra. Tsaka ang bango-bango ng chicken. Dito ha, grabe. Yeah, I can't wait. Sobrang ganda. Sino mga ka-TL dyan? Alam ko na meron silang movie, pero hindi ko alam kung kailan kasi hindi mo ko nanonood ng news. And like, hindi ako update sa mga ganap dyan. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, speaking of ganap dyan, salamat sa mga nag-comment sa previous vlog ko, yung about kay Duterte, nung pinanood namin yung 60 minutes. So, thank you sa mga comments. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate it. And yeah, I will go ahead and paint my nails kasi in an hour and 30 minutes, Dan will be home. Tapos, darating din yung pamilya ng kuya niya. Dito nga sila magdi-dinner. So yeah, let me just paint my nails real quick. Hello. Dito kami sa Kohl's. We're done dinner. It was good. I'm wearing a hat kasi tsaka yung mukha ko. This is what we have so far. Do they have the donut? No, tsaka. Nope. I like this, babe.
Do I get that one for yourself or?
The other one is chocolate. Look at the bottom.
I do.
The last one, no. Chocolate. Do you want something from here? No, not that. I'm just looking. They're having 30% off their Rimmel products, you guys. I really want to try this Stay Matte. But yeah. But I'm not getting it. I still have a powder that I need to finish. Where's my tripod, babe?
Yeah. You want it?
No, that's alright. No, I don't want it, mister. Oh, I need to make your tea. Wait, let me do that. So he will take the Colin tea tonight. This one. So he had skinny tea this morning because that's for every day, every morning. And yeah. We got capsicums for his lunch. Oh shoot, I need to bake this tonight for it to be ready tomorrow. And then we got tomato, just one tomato for a dinner that I'm thinking of doing, like, I don't know, maybe tomorrow. And you guys, I painted my nails. This is from Simple Colors. Lorena sent this to me. I forgot what's the shade, but I will check it later on. And then I got just baby wipes. Jan's milk, what? What did you say? And then beef para sa tortilla, something na gagawin ko. Like, I'm gonna do a quesadilla tortilla, something like that. I don't really know. But yeah, I got this for that. That's just tortilla wraps. And then this, Snickers na ice cream. So that's yummer. Taco seasoning. Biscuits. Ito yung gusto kong biscuits. Yung knees. Ganun. Tapos 2 for 320 siya. So, we got 2. Because why not coconut? And then we got this as well. Muffin. This is only for $1. It has blueberries in it. So, yeah. This is that for him. And bacon for his capsicum. And then last one is the apricot and almond cheese. Yummers to. Okay, that's it. I just did a whole rant sa Snapchat, but you will not see that kasi, yeah, kasi 24 hours lang yan, diba? Anyway, we will watch Married at First Sight. Meron nito sa US noon. Nakanood ako actually noon, pero this one is first sa Australia, and yeah, we will watch it. And then after this, we will watch Making a Murderer, yung original series sa Netflix. And yes, that's basically it for tonight. Please do not forget to check my previous vlog. I have a giveaway there if you guys are interested. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!